Hey, what's going on, you guys? I'm Mike from the Traveling Cookies, and today we are at the wonderful Cabana Bay at Universal Studios in Orlando, Florida. So right now, Steph and I are actually renting a hotel room, and it's a poolside standard queen room. So let's take a look, and you can kind of get an idea of what the layout of the room looks like. So as soon as you walk in, right over here, you got your standard closet, just with your basic necessities. You got your safe, ironing board. You do have a iron right over here as well. Off to the right, you have your one sink. You know, gets the job done. Nice little drawers over here, and then you have the bathroom. Not too shabby. And in the main area, you can see it's very spacious. You know, we don't mind getting the double beds just because after being at the parks all day, you could at least throw all your stuff on the one bed and then be clean and fresh to go on the other to go to sleep. You're gonna notice that they do come with the mini fridge. You do get nice drawers, so the pack is really deep. So you have 4 of them right here. Flat screen. What I like about the Cabana Bay rooms is that on the headboard, each lamp is able to turn on individually, which is nice. So if you don't want to have all the lights on at night and you're just trying to like relax, you can do that on both sides. You also have a drawer over here. And you have your phone to call the front desk, or if you want to get room service, things like that. Let's take a look at this view real quick. This is an absolutely stunning view right here. Check this out. So this pool area is with the hideaway bar and grill, which you could actually see right across. You'll be able to get all your drinks and food there. Right below us is the lazy river. And I don't know if you guys ever been in it or not. It's actually really cool. You could also get tube rentals, which we could zoom in for you. We'll put the prices of the tube rentals in the description below, but you'll be able to take those tubes and just keep going around and around. I believe you can have the tubes all day, which is really nice. And if you come just a little bit over here, you can actually see an awesome shot of Volcano Bay. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely like and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Mike from the Traveling Cookies, and have a great day.